Hello and welcome to the Trust Series audio course. I'm Faye from Family Recovery Mum, and if you've landed here, you're probably carrying something heavy. You're the one holding things together. You're the one reading the room. You're the one who keeps showing up for someone you love who's struggling with addiction. And you're tired because somewhere along the way, the steadiness of the whole family ended up resting on you. This YouTube channel and the Trust series is built for you. Let's look at what the Trust series is. The Trust series is a 3-part pathway that helps you rebuild trust in a loved one's recovery, gently, honestly, and at a pace that protects you. It's based on lived experience, aligned with craft principles, and written for families who need clarity, steadiness, and emotional safety. There are 3 parts to the Trust series, and each one meets you exactly where you are. The first is Part 1, Core Trust. This is your foundation. You'll learn why trust isn't all or nothing, the 5 dimensions of trust, the 4 phases trust moves through, how to rebuild trust through small daily evidence, how to set boundaries kindly and clearly. If you're early in recovery, or if trust has been shaken for a long time, start here at Part 1, the Core Trust. Next in the Trust series is Part 2, Trust After Relapse. This part is for the families who've been hit with relapse and are trying to breathe again. You'll learn why post-relapse trust breaks differently, what to do in the first week, how to tell real change from hopeful promises, how to protect yourself while rebuilding, why 85% trust can still be real, meaningful trust. If relapse has just happened, or if you're still carrying the trauma of it, then this part 2, the post-relapse trust, will steady you. The last part in the Trust series is Part 3, Trust for the Long Haul. This part is for families in years 2, 5 or more of recovery, when things are good but you still feel that quiet fear. You'll learn what mature trust actually looks like, how trust quietly erodes, how big life changes test recovery, how to tell concern from normal life, how to celebrate the journey you've fought for. If recovery is stable but you're unsure how much to relax, this part 3 of Trust in the Long Haul, is for you. Each part of the Trust series comes with a short set of lessons, usually 3 to 5 minutes each, so you can take them in gently, even on hard days. Every part includes the full transcripts, the companion workbook pages, and the audio files, so you can read, listen, or work through the exercises in whatever way feels easiest for you. And if you'd like everything together, all 3 parts are available as a bundle with the complete workbook and transcripts in one place. Let's now look at how you can use this channel. You can watch each playlist in order, pause when you need to, come back when you have the energy, take what helps and leave the rest. Every video is designed to be calm, clear and short, so you can use it even on the hardest days. What say you want to use the full course? If you'd like the full transcripts, workbook and all 3 parts together, you can find the Trust Series bundle at familyrecoverymum.com/courses. It's the complete version, everything in one place, with a companion workbook that helps you rebuild trust step by step. Visit the Trust Series bundle, and before you begin, you're not behind, you're rebuilding one small, steady step at a time. You are the foundation here, not because it's fair that it falls to you, but because your steadiness is what makes everything else possible. When you're ready, choose the playlist that fits where you are today. I'll meet you there.